Yo. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here we got 2 small boxes. Gonna be adding some real carbon fiber into my interior. I hope it doesn't start with small and then wind up being the whole interior, because right now I have it just wrapped. It came out pretty gas. If you haven't seen that video, check that one out. But I got 2 real pieces of carbon fiber for my interior, and I don't know. But this here is a shift knob overlay in real carbon fiber, and this one here is a e-brake handle in carbon fiber as well. I'm gonna do them both in the same video since they won't really take that long. I'm going to start with this, the overlay for the shift knob, and just throw that on. It really isn't complicated. I got both of these things off eBay. I'm going to leave them in the description. But also, if you want me to hit you with the link, just leave it in the comments and I'll send it through. That's like that. What do you think, Chris? Take off the wrap or leave the wrap on?
I'd personally leave it on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, it literally just came with some 3M tape on the back. I don't even know if it's 3M. Probably not, after seeing the box it came out of. Looks like they just freaking took whatever box they could find and whatever company shipped it to me. Shadow light. Offer open special different door lights upgrade parts. I don't know what that means, but it looks like a light box, and they just shoved whatever they could in it, so whatever. So I assume it's not 3M, but just take this and throw that on there. That looks like it's gonna fit easily. So last piece.
It only took about 5 minutes.
Yeah, not that bad. I'm getting good. I'm literally just gonna lay it on. So look at that, now we have a little bit of real carbon fiber in the car. Nice little carbon overlay.
How much horsepower was that again?
Nothing, it just adds for a quicker shifting.
Okay.
Yeah, no horsepower, just a little faster shifting. But that was that, easy enough. We'll just peel off the 3M and put it on. And I'm gonna get to the next thing right now. Next thing I have here, I'm gonna open this guy up real quick. Little carbon e-brake handle. Like I said, all off eBay. I'll link it in the description. Even came with some zip ties for us. But once again, it's pretty easy to do. Make sure that's not in the way. Just start from anywhere on the boot down here. Just get your fingers in there. Just get it going. Pull that up. Okay. Now that's done. Just take your, like pulling off the shift knob. You put the button in and you pull. So pull that. Airbags go off. Okay. So simple as that. Let me see. Where do I should push this through here. That comes out.
Something light.
Oh, here's the zip tie that came with it. It came stock from BMW.
How much do you think that is? 10 bucks?
I was looking up on this morning. This color, this size runs about $75 if you get it from BMW. Just one zip tie. I don't believe like this. It's more of a drift car vibe, don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so now this is gonna go on the same way, like that. But first, let's put it back in the boot. Uh-oh. Did I get it right the first try?
That looks good to me now. Nope, backwards. There you go.
Okay, first I have to fix this the boot part. This comes up all the way. This is gonna come here. And then, now that that's with that, you really just take the zip tie and put it right around this. I don't think that's tight enough. Let's see what happens. So now that just is gonna come back through.
Good day.
That's gonna just go back on.
How much does that horsepower gain?
Nothing.
Nothing again?
When I'm drifting, when I slam the e-brake quick, it just, like I said, it's faster e-brake. Because this is like carbon fiber, so it's weight reduction. So this pulls up faster now, and this just shifts faster. Weight reduction.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. But anyways, both parts really easy to install. But like I said, both off eBay. I'll leave them down in the description. But I thought that I'd just make a video just in case people need the links, not really to watch the install. But the links will be down below. If you have any questions on these really complicated installs, leave them down in the comments. If you like the video, I'm dressing up the interior with some real carbon fiber. Sooner or later, I think I might just do all the interior because I like how shiny this looks. But anyways, if you haven't also subscribed, drop a sub. But besides that, I'll see you in the next video, which we're shooting in like 10 minutes, but separate video. Peace out, guys.